Moko kuom jotend kweth rowere mag GenZ e kaunti ma Laikipia ochungo ng'anyo magi sebedo ka gibago e pacho ka giwacho ni ng'anyono osenyago olemo kata obedo ni jonjore osebedo kadonjore kendo ketho mwandu ji. Gimedo ni gibiro tiyo gi yore mamoko e chwalo dwachgi kata twak kod puonjo jowetegi e kinde mamoko. Gikwedo nek kod ndhiyo kendo lal gi moko kuom rowere e kinde ng'anyo ka gidwaro jotelo ma pacho ka mondo owinj makare dwachgi.
And we have come to a point as the GenZs of Mount Kenya that we have come together to reflect and retrospect on the way forward, on where we are and how we are going to conduct our issues moving forward regarding the issues that we are coming out to protest against, whether the government has reacted to them or not. We all know that we have been having protests across the country, and us, as the region, Mount Kenya region, the village GenZs, we are going to suspend all these protests immediately today so that we give time for reason and for dialogue and for logics to prevail.
We want to make a point clear that we are not desisting from protest to give a chance to our leaders to continue buying legitimacy at the villages. Ya kwanza tunakatana na hiyo, and we saw some leaders trying to buy legitimacy from deep in the villages. We stand against that, and we are going to be focused.
We also wanted to address the issues of from our region, this Mount Kenya region, who have been going there and uttering propaganda that young people from our region had been paid to participate in those protests at Nairobi. We are calling upon them to be mindful of the fact that young people came out in their numbers because of the pressing issues we are facing in our daily lives.